How to use a VPN on an iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can use VPN on an iPhone. Well, it is pretty simple. If you scroll down your notification panel from the top right corner of your screen, then you'll find the option here, right? Now here, you should find the option here that says VPN. However, if you tap on it, nothing happens. Well, that's because that is only the option to show whether VPN is enabled or not. Now, to enable VPN, you can use any VPN applications. For instance, you can use 1.1.1.1 DNS, which is pretty safe. So you want to download it. Once you have downloaded the VPN, you can open up that particular app and you can proceed to enable the VPN. For instance, I've opened up this. I can tap on next. I'll accept this. I'll tap on install VPN profile and allow it. Then you can see here it'll ask me for passcode. I'll enter it and I'll disable the notifications, but you can see it is disconnected. I can proceed to enable it, and now once it is enabled, if you scroll down the notification panel here, now it will show that VPN is enabled. So this is how you can easily enable VPN or disable on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.